Buddhism. Alar, the teacher of Buddha, belonged to tribe Kalamas of Kesaput. Gautam Buddha, father Sudodhana, chief of Sakya clan, in 563 BC on Vaishakha Purnima day at Lumbini, Nepal. Mother Mahamaya, stepmother Gautami. This is the birthday of Gautam Buddha, 563 BCE. He had 32 birthmarks: wife Yashodhara, son Rahul, charioteer Channa, horse Kanthak, Uddak Ramaputta, and Alar. His teachers. Gautam Buddha's teachers. Enlightenment. Senani village near Gaya, under a peepal tree, Bodhi tree, near river Niranjan. At 35, attained Nirvana. Dhammachakra Parivartan. First sermon at Sarnath to 5 wandering ascetics: Assaji, Mahanama, Vapa, Bhadya, Kondana. Parinirvan at age of 80 at Kushinagar. Lotus and bull represent birth, horse represent renunciation, Bodhi tree represents Mahabodhi, Dhammachakra Parivartan represents first sermon, footprints represents Nirvana. Stoop in Peshawar by Greek architect Agisal. Buddha figures / statues are of 3 main types: Sthanak, standing; Asan, seated; and Sayan, recumbent. Gandhar style Buddha, usually shown with his right hand raised in Abhay Mudra. Brahmin Drone, distributed Buddha's Sarir Dhatu relics after his Mahaparinirvan. Mahayan, worship of Buddha image, assimilation of local cults, Bodhisattva. Dharmachakra Parivartan, main objective of Buddha. Buddhism. Tara Murugan, aka Skand. Buddhism is Tara is related to Buddhism. Murugan is also called Skand. Nath cult was a Hindu cult, and Siddhajogi was a Nath saint. Puravai was a form of Shakti. Shilbhadra, head of Nalanda monastery, when Hyun visited there. Theravada, propagated in Ceylon by Ashoka's son Mahendra. Most important branch of Theravada, Sarvastivada, founded by Rahul Bhadra. Mahakashyap, founder of Mahasangika sect. Purva Sailas, Apara Sailas, Uttara Sailas, and Chaityakas, sects that branched off from Mahasangikas. Very first mention of erecting stupas and chaityas in the Rigveda. Kanishk, follower of Mahayana Buddhism. Nagarjuna, Parsav, Vasumitra, Ashwaghosh, Buddhist philosophers contemporaries of Kanishk. There are 3 main sects of Buddhism: Hinayan, Mahayana, and Vajrayana. Hinayan comprises of Savirvadin or Theravadins, Sarvastivada, Mahasangika, and Sammitya. Sarvastivada has its own subsects, Vaibhashika and Swtantrika. Mahasangika also has its own sects, Lokottarvad, Kukutika, Kartika. Mahayana has its own subsects, Yogachar, which is also called Vigyanvad, and Madhyamak, whose founder is Nagarjuna. Prajna Paramit Sutra, Wisdom and Perfection Sutra, Emptiness Teachings. Sadharma Pundarika Sutra, Lotus Sutra. Sukhavati Sutra, all believers had access to Buddha Amitabha's land. Vimal Kirti Nirdesh Sutra, ordinary man can become a bodhisattva. Sutta Nipat, Gautam Buddha stressed the need to protect cow. Manimekalai, inspired by the logical system of philosopher Dinag. Bhasa Brahman Jatak, shows caste was not rigidly tied to craft. Brahmajal Sutra, Mahapadan Sut, Mahaparinibbana Sut, Sammanfal Sut, associated with Digha Nikaya. A manuscript of Dhammapad in Kharoshti script found from Khotan. Parinibbana Sutta, Buddha tells Ananda to erect at the crossings of 4 highways a stoop over the remains of his body. The earliest of the stupas consist of a hemispherical dome surrounded by a Pradashin path or passage or circumambulation. On the 4 sides of the stoop are 4 gateways, Vedika, Milind Panha, sea voyage to Suvarna Bhumi, Takola and China, Nides, detailed view of ancient Indian trade in the Far East, Funan, account of a Hindu kingdom in Cambodia, preserved by Chinese, Ashwaghosh, Buddha Charita, Ashwaghosh wrote Buddha Charita, Saundaranand, Sutra Lankar, Sariputra Prakaran and Vajra Suchi. Nagarjun wrote Madhyamika Siddhant, Madhyamika Sutra Lankar, Sadharma Pundarika, Subha Likha and Rasra Ratnakar. Transformation of Prakriti substances by use of Aushadhi and Samadhi. Amar Simha, Amar Kos, the first dictionary in Sanskrit. Vasubandhu, Abhidharma Kos, first dictionary on Buddhist philosophy. Buddha Ghosh, Visuddhi Magh, Sumangal Vasini and Atta Tathayan. Diganag introduced the theory of logic and wrote Praman Smuchaya, Pramanas Muchaya, Samuchaya, Praman Samuchaya. Dharmakirti, Nyay Bindu, Netika Puran, commentaries on Tripitak, Buddha Ghosh, Nidan Kant, Buddha's first connected life story, Deepavams and Mahavams, Mahavastu written in Sanskrit Prakrit, hagiography of Buddha, Netika Puran, Kachan, Buddhist Council, first council in 486 BC by Ajatasattu of Haryanka dynasty at Satapani, Sataparnaguha caves, Rajgriha under Mahakashyap. Suttas and Vinayas were recited by Anand and Upali respectively. Second, 386 BC by Kalashok of Shishunag dynasty at Vaishali under Sabakami. Split in Buddhist orders, Stavirvadin and Mahasangika. Theravadins, Stavirvadin and also called Theravadins. Third council, 250 BC by Ashoka at Pataliputra under Mughaliputra Tisa, also known as Upagupt. Compilation of Abhidhamma Pitak, philosophy in Pali. Mughaliputra Tisa wrote Kathavatu. Fourth, Mahasangha, 72 AD. Kanishk of Kushan in Kundalvan, Kashmir under Vasumitra and Ashwaghosh. Division of Buddhism Mahayana into Mahayana and Hinayan. Ashok. Major Rock Edict 1. Prohibition of animal sacrifice. Major Rock Edict 2. Mentions Pandyas, Satyapuras and Keral Putras. Major Rock Edict 4. Dhamma Dhamma righteousness over Bheri Ghosh, war. Major Rock Edict 5. Appointment of Dhamma Mahamatras. Major Rock Edict 6. Theory of kingship. Major Rock Edict 7. Religious tolerance towards other sects. Copy of this edict is found engraved on a bowl. Major Rock Edict 8. Ashoka's Dhamma Yatra to Bodh Gaya. Major Rock Edict 11. Ashoka elaborated Dhamma, respect for elders and concern for slaves and servants. Major Rock Edict 13. Ashoka's Kalinga victory, remorse for the suffering caused by war. Mentions names of Hellenic kings. Ashoka abandoned the policy of physical occupation, Bheri Ghosh, in favor of cultural conquest, Dhamma Ghosh. Mentions Pandyas and Chodas. Nigali Sagar inscription. Ashoka visited the Konak Man stoop in 15th year. Ashoka erected a pagoda at Sanchi. Rumandei pillar, Nepal. Pilgrimage by Ashoka to Lumbini in 20th year. Bodh Gaya in 10th year. Ashoka's schism edict of Sanchi, Sarnath and Allahabad, originally in Kosambi, threatens monks and nuns with expulsion if they attempt to cause disunity in Sangha. Babru Bairat Rock Edict. Ashoka adopted Buddhism as his personal faith. Kalinga region came under which province during Ashoka? Tosali. Dholi Jogada Sannati, Separate rock edicts of Ashoka. Ashoka uses his name only in Maski, Brahmagiri, Gujjar, and Netur inscriptions. In all other edicts referred to as Devnampiya and Piyadasi. Titles referring to Ashoka, Chakravarti and Mahasammat. Ashokan inscription in Aramaic, discovered at Taxila and Jalalabad. Ashoka converted to Buddhism by Nigrodh. Bilingual inscription of Ashoka in Greek and Aramaic at Sherikuna, Afghanistan. Pillar Edict 5 known as Delhi Topra Pillar Edict. Kandahar inscription, bilingual edict in Greek and Aramaic. Kalinga edicts, Bholi and Jogada. Mentions all men are my children. Sannati inscriptions, Karnataka. Mentions all 14 rock edicts as well as 2 separate Kaling edicts. Postmodern centuries saw a great spurt in minting of coins. Gold coins, Nishk and Suvarn, and silver coins, Shatman. Kings of the Northwest imitated Greek, Roman, and Iranian coin types. The increasing use of money did not drive out the barter system, particularly in rural area in post-Maurya period. Diverse use of coins indicates the variant trading economies. Inscriptions at Shahbazgadi and Mansehra, Kharosti script. Upanishads. Shvetasvatar Upanishad. Shiva shown as the god superior to the Vedic pantheon. Atharva Siras Upanishad. Vinayak of synonym of Ganesh. Brahma Sutra and Upanishad texts form cluster of Prasthanatrayi in Hindu literary tradition. Uma and Parvati or Hemvati occurs as name in Taittiriya Aranyak and Kena Upanishad. The figure of Uma appears in the coins of Havishk. Concluding portion of Taittiriya Aranyak constitutes Taittiriya Upanishad and Mahanarayan Upanishad. Kathak Upanishad and Shvetasvatar Upanishad belongs to Black Yajurved school. The Isa Upanishad forms the concluding chapter of the Vajrasaneyi Samhita. Taittiriya Samhita, also known as Krishna Yajurved's recensions, Taittiriya Maitrayani. Shiva, classed among minor gods in Apstambha Griha Sutra and Kautilya's Arthashastra. A four-armed figure of god Vishnu Vasudev with chakra in the upper left hand is found on the coins of Panchal king Vishnu Mitra. Goddess Lakshmi, Ravanvaha of Vakatak king Pravarsen II speaks of Sri Lakshmi as Pralaya Grihini. Gwalior stone inscription, Vishnu and Sri Lakshmi. Sita is identified with Lakshmi in Harivams and Vishnu Dharmottar Purana. Unlike View doctrine or later Avatar Vad of Vaishnavism, Shaivism did not develop any elaborate incarnation theory. Puranas like Bhavishya, Samba, Varaha narrate the story of the introduction of solar cult into India from Sakadweep, eastern Iran. Sthal Puran, Sanskrit text describing the history of sacred places of ancient India. Detailed instructions about agriculture, Agni Puran and Vishnu Dharmottar Puran. Varun, regulator of Reet, Manu, anger, Usas, dawn, Shraddha, faith. Famous commentators on Manusmriti, Kulluk and Medhatiti. Brahmana given the highest punishment for theft in all Varnas according to Manusmriti. Smritis, remembered, consist of Vedang, Puran, epics, Dharma Shastra, Niti Shastra. Mridhar Vaj in Rigved, one who doesn't perform sacrifice. Atharved, Sabha and Samiti mentioned as two daughters of Vedic deity. Mridhar Vaj in Rigved, one who doesn't perform sacrifice. Atharvaved, Sabha and Samiti mentioned as two daughters of a Vedic deity. Seventh Mandal of Rigved is ascribed to the family of Vashisht. Rigved Samhita, Aitreya Brahman and Kausitaki Brahman. Samved Samhita, Tandya Brahman. Atharvaved Samhita, Gopath Brahman. Tandya Brahman text. Specific sacrifice performed by the subjects to destroy the king. Vedas are Shruti, heard. Rigved contains world's oldest poetry, 1028 hymns arranged in 10 books. Samved 1810 verses of musical notations, Yajurved and Atharved. Each Ved has 4 parts: Samhita, Brahman, Aranyak, and 108 Upanishads, 13 principal ones. Early Vedic literature, 1500 to 1000 BCE. Books 2 to 7 of Rigved Samhita are considered oldest. All other texts and later portions of Samhita are called later Vedic literature, 1000 to 500 BC. Dates according to Max Muller. Shakhas of Vedas: Rigved, Shakal Shakha; Yajurved, Shukla, White, Vajrasanaya, and Krishna, Black. Main differences: Samhitas of White school contain only mantras, while Black school contain various aspects of sacrificial rituals. Samved, Khautuma, Ranayaniya, Jaiminia recessions. Atharvaved, Shaunak, and Apallad. Vedic society. Gehpati is affluent householder. Wealth of Gehpati derived from owning land and as wealthy merchant. If wealth was earned as merchant, he is called Sethi Gehpati. Brahman Gehpati, Brahman who received a donation of land. Vrajpati, officer who led to battle, heads of army contingents. Officers known for water arrangements of their provinces: Suya, Pushyagupta, Tushas, Suvisakha, Ukkath, and Kitagiri, important towns in Kosal. Satra, a spy who was an orphan trained from childhood for the work. Laja Homa, a part of marriage ceremony. Marriage according to Griha Sutra. Groom takes the bride around the fire. Agni Parinayan. Marriage rite ends with the Saptapadi. Dhruv Varun Dhati Darshan was a marriage rite practiced at the groom's house. Curtain at the back of the stage of a theatre, Yavanika, taken from term for Greeks. Earliest known drama to have survived, fragments of plays by Ashwaghosh preserved in manuscripts of Central Asia. Swamin Amatya Janpad, among the 7 limbs of ancient Indian state. Acharya and Upadhyay, female teachers according to ancient grammarians. Construction of Vapi, water reservoir, became popular in Rajasthan and Gujarat in early medieval India. Ratna Havimshi, ceremony of the jewel offering associated with Rajasuya. Vedic river and current name: Asikani, Chenab; Parushni, Ravi; Sutudri, Sutluj; Vipas, Bias; Vidasta, Jhelum; Kalindi, Yamuna; Mahachanpad and capital: Asmak, Potan; Chedi, Suktimati; Dakshin Panchal, Kampilya; Sursen, Mathura. Jainism. Jain text: Nisidh Sutra, Tattva Arth Digham Sutra, Abhidhan Chintamani. Paumacharyam, Jain version of Ramayana. Vadharadhane, Sivakotyacharya; Kalakacharya, Kathanak. Saka kings were called Shahi. Mahavir was a senior contemporary of Buddha. Mahavir propounded Ahimsa and was born near Pataliputra. Anikantvad and Syadvad. Major philosophical principles of Jainism. Hills famous for Jain caves: Khandagiri, Udaygiri Hills. Hathi Gumpha, Sita Navsal. Hathi Gumpha inscription is known for Jina statue by Jain king Kharavela. Jain Sangha, oldest religious order in the world. Jain Council at Vallabhi, presided by Nagarjun. First Jain Council, Pataliputra, 3rd century BC by Stulbhadra. Jainism split into Swetambar and Digambar. Second Jain Council, simultaneously at Mathura by Skandila and Vallabhi by Nagarjun in 512 AD. Final compilations of Mahavir's teachings into 12 Angas and 12 Upangas. Third Jain Council, Vallabhi Council II by Devardhi Shmasraman. Shwetambar sect gathered. Yakshini's Sasan Devta, associated Tirthankars. सिद्धायिका महावीर, चक्रेश्वरी आदिनाथ, अंबिका नेमिनाथ, पद्मावती पार्श्वनाथ, चंदन first to become a Jain nun, दिगंबर भद्रबाहु, दिगंबर founded by भद्रबाहु, सबसेक्ट्स मूल संघ, बिसापंथ, तेरापंथ, तरणपंथ और समयपंथी पंथ, श्वेतांबर फाउंडेड बाय स्थूलभद्र, सबसेक्ट्स मूर्ति पूजक, स्थानकवासी, तेरापंथी। फिलोसफी भक्ति, रामानुजा विशिष्ट अद्वैतवाद ऑफ वेदांत फिलोसफी, श्री भाष्य, रामानुजा's commentary on Brahma Sutra. Ramanuja taught his philosophy in Sri Rangam. Ramanuja proposed the most efficient path to salvation, moksha. Prapatti meaning absolute surrender to God. Nath Muni, teacher of Ramanujacharya. Nath Muni wrote Nyaya Tattva, an elaborate exposition of philosophy of the Vishisht Advaitwad school. Founded this Vaishnava sect. Was inspired by the songs of Satha Kopa, compiled Nalayir Divya Prabandham. Tattva Chintamani by Gangesa introduces new Nyaya, Navya Nyaya system. Yogic exercises to control breathing, pranayam. Varkaris, Jnaneshwar, Namdev, Tukaram, Eknath, Chokha Mela, devotion for Vitthal. Ahimsa and Bhakti, two important features of Bhagavad traditions. प्रेम मार्गी निर्गुण भक्ति सेठ, मुल्ला दौद कुतुबान मंझन, भक्तमल, earliest known account of medieval bhaktas to be found in a single work. Gaudiya Vaishnavism, mystical movement led by Saint Chaitanya. Gaur God, 16th century capital of Kingdom of Bengal. Worship of Radha Krishna, movement further developed by the Goswamins of Vrindavan. Raja Man Singh patronized Gaudiya temples in Vrindavan. Schools of Indian philosophy. Samkhya by Kapil or Ishwar Krishna. Nyaya by Gautam. Vedanta, also called Uttar Mimans, by Bhadrayan. Vaisheshika by Kanad. Purva Mimans by Gemini. Yoga by Patanjali. Vedanta has its own sub-schools. Advait by Shankaracharya. Vishisht Advait by Ramanuja and Nath Muni. Dvait by Madhav, also known as Anand Tirth. Texts, ancient texts. Vivid Tirth Kalp by Jina Prabha Suri includes a section on the whole city of Mathura. Critical edition of Mahabharat, B.S. Sukthamkar. Kayat wrote a commentary on Mahabhashya. Story of Shishupal. In the Sabha Parv of Mahabharat, Mahabharat establishes that Krishna and Vishnu are one in the terms of their divinity. Writer and text. Vachaspati wrote Bhamati. Padma Padal wrote Panchapadika. Sriharsh wrote Khand Khadya. Sankar wrote Upadesh Sahastri. Aryadev wrote Chatu Satika. Author Dharmashastra. Bhatt Lakshmidhar wrote Priyakalp Sutra. Devana Bhatt wrote Smriti Chandrika. Hemadri wrote Chatur Vargachintamani. Sridhar wrote Smrityarthasara. Smrityarthasar. Arthasar. Smritya Arthasar. Ancient text on medicine. Charak Samhita, Sulva Sutras, Sushrut Samhita, Yoga Sutras. Ancient treatise on mathematics. Sulva Sutra. Texts on agriculture. Krishi Parashar and Krishi Sukti. Paryaya Muktavali about aromatic drugs. Smriti Samgraha by anonymous author. Work on law and legal institution. Patanjali in Yoga Sutra. Siddhi can be attained by application of a herb. Bhagavati Sutra describes about 16 Mahajanapadas. Varun Sukta, story of Shuna shape. Sabha Parv about administration. Shanti Parv about Rajdharma. Madhav Panikar wrote the first Malayalam version of Bhagavad Gita. Arthashastra of Kautilya refers to Upvas terminology referring to tenant. Arthashastra allows divorce. Sridhan, first mentioned in Arthashastra. Abhishek, drama by Bhas, had taken its plot from Ramayana. Vedant Desika wrote a Sandesh Kavya, a form of lyric poem. Hans Sandesh, discovered by Aryabhat. Aryabhat discovered Earth is a sphere and rotates on its axis. Shadow of the Earth falling on the moon causes eclipses. Goda Vaho, a poetical work in Prakrit by Vagpati. Important work on hagiology, Aradhya Brahmin. Sanskara Swami, Nyaya Pravesh Tark Shastra. Bhoj Prabandh by Ballal. Megasthenes wrote about some medicines practiced by ascetic sects. Panini's Ashtadhyayi mentions Yodhyas. Somdev's Katha Sarit Sagar mentions the defeat of Malechhas. Kamban wrote Ramayana, called Iramavataram in Tamil in 12th century. Kashmiri poet Shamendra wrote Kala Vilas and Samaya Matrika. Bilhana wrote Vikramankadev Charita and Karna Sundari. North, Kardamak dynasty founder Chashtan. King Para of Kosal. Samgram Raja, ruler of Kashmir, faced Mahmud of Ghazni. Raja Tarangini mentions King Chandraped personally went to a leather worker, Charmakar, with a request to get a small piece of land of his cottage needed for the construction of Tribhuvan Swami temple. Jone Raja continued writing of Raja Tarangini after Kalhana. Raja Tarangini, joint rule over Kashmir of three kings, Hushk, Jushk, and Kanishk. Rabatak inscription, clarifying the relationship between Kanishk and Cadphice's kings. Hyun Sung and Albiruni refer to the grand monastery built by Kanishk at Peshawar. Reverse of Kanishka's coins represent Oisho or Shiva. Sakyamo, Bodo, Oado, Athsho, etc. Coins of Kanishk and his successors have Greek, Persian, Indian legend on reverse. Coins of Malwa tribe bearing legends have been discovered in large numbers at Nagar. Shaka administration based on the Achaemenid and Seleucid system in Iran. Shaka kingdom was divided into provinces, each under a military governor, Mahashatrap or Meridraj. Shaka coins with joint names of two rulers meant that the king associated himself with a ruler of lesser status. Shaka Satvahan period, range of interest on fixed deposit. Akshaya Nivi was from 9 to 12% in the Nasik cave number 10 inscription. Shaka Sthan mentioned in the Mahamayuri, in the Mathura Loyan capital inscription, and in the Chandravali stone inscription of Kadamba Mayur Sarman. Harivams Puran mentions Shakas shaved one half of their heads. Shakas mentioned in Prashastis of Gautamiputra Satkarni and Samudragupta. Shaka rulers Rudradaman, Chashtan, Mois. Aihole inscription of Pulakesin II of Chalukya, a time of reckoning starting from the Bharat War. Chalukya's involvement of ladies in administration. Aparak, Silhara dynasty king, famous commentator of Yajnavalkya Smriti. Varman dynasty of Assam traced its origin from Asur Narak. Enormous wealth accumulated by the Nandas mentioned by Tamil author Mamulanar. High Hayas tribe Avanti. Poni invited Harshvardhan to accept the crown after the death of his brother. Mysore ruled by Western Ganga dynasty. Mahasila Kantak and Rath Musal, two secret weapons of war used by Ajat Shatru. Hindu kingdom Champa founded by Srimara. Kings dynasty. Brihaspati, Karkot, Govind III Rashtrakutas, Beta 1, Kakatiyas, Simha Vishnu, Pallavas. Rashtrakoot kings, Govind III, Krishna I, Nripatunga, Kaviraj Marg, Amog Varsh 1, also known as Nrupatunga, earliest available work on Kannada. Royal orders issued by Rashtrakoot kings and recorded by their secretaries. Raja Sravitam. According to Puranas, Naga kings flourished after the decline of Kushanas. Lahore copper seal of 4th century CE. Prince Mahesh Var Nag, the son of Maharaja Nagbhat. Bharashivas, a family of Nagas, worshipped Linga. Gupta rulers were able to check the power of Nagas. Nagas were a serpent worshipping tribes. Sailendra rulers had friendly relations with contemporary kings. Balaputra Dev, Chuda Mani Varman, Sri Mar Vijay Otunga Varman. Guptas. 6th century Gupta suzerainty was challenged by the Hunas. Gupta Empire elaborates administrative system at village level. Village bodies mentioned in inscription Panchmandli, Ashtakul Adhikaran. Al-Biruni, useful information for determining the beginning of Gupta era. Vishnugupt issued gold coins with lowest percentage of gold among Gupta rulers. Gupta period saw the rise of Hinduism, especially Bhagavatism or Vaishnavism. Fahian, Buddhism was flourishing during Gupta period. 4 Buddha images were added at the 4 entrance of Sanchi Stoop. Nalanda also became a center of Buddhist education during this period. Chandragupta II, known by Devgupt and Devraj. In Bayan Hod, coins of Chandragupta II found in highest number. Eastern kingdoms which submitted to Guptas, Samatat and Kamrup. Tribal states which paid tribute to Guptas, Malwas, Arjunyanas, Yodhayas, Madrakas, Abhiras, Kakas. Bhetari inscription of Skandagupt. Krishna approaching his mother Devki after having slain his enemies. Junagadh inscription of Skandagupt. Vishnu mentioned as the consort of Lakshmi. Skandagupt titles of Kramaditya and Vikramaditya. Afsad inscription. Names of many Gupta kings. Sikhism. Guru Amar Das gave the ideal of a householder saint. Guru Amar Das, first pilgrim center for Sikhs, symbolized with the construction of a well with 84 steps to reach the water for bathing established at Goindwal. Maharaja Ranjit Singh's new army did not include Gujaratis. Ranjit Singh conquered Kashmir from the Afghans in 1819. Prince Muazzam, governor of Kabul, reached an understanding with the Sikhs and gave them refuge. Guru Gobind Singh excelled in both martial arts and spiritual leadership. He reinterpreted the Sikh ideology. Ranjit Singh conquered Kashmir from the Afghans in 1819. Prince Muazzam, governor of Kabul, reached an understanding with the Sikhs and gave them refuge. Guru Gobind Singh excelled in both martial arts and spiritual leadership. He reinterpreted the Sikh ideologies to justify military action. The military power of the Gurus reached its zenith in this period under Guru Gobind Singh. After death of Guru Gobind Singh, Banda Bahadur became leader. Banda Bahadur stormed Samana in 1709. He collected revenues from Hisar. By 1710, he occupied the entire Sarkar of Sarhind and several parganas in the Sarkar of Hisar and Saharanpur. He set up a capital in Mukhlispur and issued coins in the names of Sikh Gurus. He always ignored Mughal orders. He was executed by Mughal state in 1716. Sikh Guru and their caste. Guru Nanak Bedi, Guru Amar Das Bhalla, Guru Ramdas Sodhi, Guru Angad Trihan. Guru Nanak was thoroughly familiar with the politico-administrative arrangements made by the Afghan rulers, particularly in Punjab. Punjab's Babur's invading army in the eyes of Guru Nanak was a marriage party of sin. Guru Nanak believed in religious unity and that God has no caste. He considered ritual reading of scriptures as waste of time. Guru Granth Sahib, compiled by Guru Arjan Dev in 1604, also includes composition of Sheikh Farid, Namdev, Kabir and Ravidas. Guru Nanak believed in one God and saw a deep personal attachment between God and devotee. Salvation to be attained was Nirvan or Sachkhand, meaning the true abode where man realizes God. Sikhism expanded more under the Jats or peasants of Punjab. Ram Singh of Kuka movement declared himself as incarnation of Guru Gobind Singh. He had served in the army of now Nihal Singh. Kuka followers tied their turbans in a peculiar fashion called Sidpag. Balak Singh was a prominent disciple of the founder of Kuka Namdhari movement, Bhagat Jawahar Mal, also known as Sian Sahib. Tenets movement. Tenets of the movement: abolition of caste, abstinence from meat, liquor and drugs, and anti-Parda widow empowerment. Singh Sabha movement, 1873, bring the benefits of Western enlightenment through modern education to the Sikh community. Countered the proselytizing activities of the Christian missionaries and Hindu revivalists. It opened a network of Khalsa schools and colleges through Punjab. Cholas, Gandhara Aditya, Chol king. Aparajit, Pallav ruler, defeated by Chol king Aditya I. Rajendra I, most celebrated Chol king, expanded his kingdom through his powerful maritime expeditions into Sumatra and Malaya, but lost interest in further campaigns. Later, Cholas got involved in wars with the Chalukyas and had to withdraw their troops back to the mainland. Pattinapalai, Rudran Kannanar. Pattinapalai was written by Rudran Kannanar about port city Kaveri Pattinam, the early Chola kingdom and the Chol king Karikalan, part of Pattu literature. Nedun Alvadai, Tamil poem by Nakirar, also a part of Pattu. Chief sculptor of a temple deity images of Chol period. Sthapati, Venti, a territorial division higher than a Nadu. Padi Kawal Kuli, police tax. Marathas, sources on Maratha history supplemented by Peshwa diaries and selections from the Peshwa Daftar, extensively used by G.S. Sardesai and Ward. On the changing organization of Maratha armies, indigenous sources used extensively by Jadunath Sarkar and A.R. Kulkarni. Vincent Smith and Percival Spear said with a bias, Marathas failed to rise above the level of plunderers. R.C. Majumdar, shall we ostrich-like bury our head and ignore this original contemporary material in the Marathi language and base our conclusions on writings of distant British and Dutch merchants whose trade was thrown in confusion by Shivaji's revolt for the liberation of his homeland, or on the Muslim chronicles which breathe antipathy to the Hindu rebels in every sentence? Vincent Smith and his followers have given a warped view of Maratha administration as it obtained in the homeland. The time has come to challenge the Vincent Smith school postulates and cultivate a corrective perspective. Andre Vink assertion: Shivaji's Swaraj was nothing but the replica of Vatan. Barud, poems classified as Upadesh Rupak, didactic metaphors in Marathi Bhakti poetry. Chronicles in Maratha history, Bakhars. Peshwa Bajirao II died at Bithur. He signed the Treaty of Pune. Trimbakji, rebel minister of Bajirao II, who instigated Bhils against British occupations of Khandesh in 1818. Peshwas professed loyalties to two sovereigns, the Chhatrapati and the Mughal emperor, and actual autonomy from both. Peshwas imposed their writ over the Sardars of conquered territories and continuously extended the circle of areas on which Chauth and Sadeshmukhi were imposed. Nag Bhag was not part of Chauth's income. After his successful rebellion against the Sayyids, Nizamul Mulk respected the imperial Farman, granting Chauth and Sadeshmukhi of the Deccan to Marathas. In 1721, he had his first meeting with Bajirao, point of conflict between Marathas and Nizamul Mulk, Karnataka. Greatest exponent of guerrilla tactics after Shivaji, Bajirao I. Ahilya Bai Holkar developed Indore from a small village to a prosperous and beautiful city. She rebuilt Kashi Vishwanath temple and built the fort of Maheshwar. Ahilya Bai helped widows in keeping their husband's wealth and rather than surrendering it to the state or greedy relatives or managers. Nana Sahib Peshwa rebuilt Sundar Narayan temple. Nana Fadnavis started the construction of the Bhimshankar temple. Battle of Sita Baldi, English versus forces of Appa Sahib Bhosle. Treaty of Gwalior, Daulat Rao Sindhia with British. Battle of Laswari, British army led by General Lake defeated Sindhia. Mahaji Sindhia, Treaty of Friendship 1785 with Sikh chiefs. Treaty of Purandar 1665, out of 35 forts, 23 were surrendered to Mughals. Territory in Bijapur Konkan was granted to Shivaji, who had to join any Mughal campaign in Deccan. Information provided by a letter written by Shivaji to Ramoji. Tagai. Advances without interest to buy bulls and agricultural tools by Shivaji. Shivaji gave peasants the concession of repaying the loan over a period of 8 to 10 years. He collected revenue in cash or kind, instructed his people to provide the peasants with sufficient food twice a day. Gag Bhatt, Jijabai, Henry Oxenden were present in the coronation ceremony of Shivaji. Balutedars of Deccan, village servants and artisans. Vatandar Balutedar, permanent right to work and receive remunerations in village. Upari Balutedar, not permanent rights, no permanent rights in the village and were migratory. Vijayanagar. Bertenstein said Vijayanagar represented the control of non-Tamils over Tamil country and a migration of Telugu warriors and peasants into Tamil Nadu. N. Karashima, political economy of Vijayanagar regime of 16th century was feudal. Abdul Razak about Vijayanagar. Country is for the most part well cultivated, very fertile. The troops amount in number to 11 lakhs. Barbosa about Vijayanagar. The king allows such freedom that every man may come and go and live according to his own creed without suffering any annoyance and without inquiry, whether he is a Christian, Jew, Moor, or Hindu. Devrai too, interested in debates when Srinath defeated his court poet Dindima in a disputation, he honored Srinath with the title of Kavi Sarvabhauma and based him in gold coins. He strengthened army by improvising the quality of war horses and the training of horsemen and archers. He established deeper political control over West Coast port cities, linking military reforms with international commerce because military and administrative dominance over the major ports on the Arabian Sea provided him with a new and different source of state finance. In Vijayanagar, administrative division Rajya under officer Pradhani. Nayaks possessed land rights granted to them by Vijayanagar king. Nayaks were the owners of all lands in the empire. Nayaks were completely dependent on the decisions of the kings of Vijayanagar until 1565. Later they became semi-independent. The Nayaks also worked as feudatories with conditional military tenure as 75% of the empire was under Amaram system. Southern polity and society. Kakatiya dynasty first to install the Kohinoor diamond in temple. Parts of Orisian temples from bottom to top. Pabhag, Baranda, Beki, Khapuri. Rock cut caves at Udaygiri at Mangalapuram. Varaha, Narsimha and Vaman avatars of Vishnu are found. Images of Krishna installed in a cave of Marabar Hills by Mokhari chief Anant Varman in 5th century. God Changu Narayan temple, Narayan on Changu or Garud. Dola Parvat in Nepal. The plan of temple is somewhat unusual. Its all sides face the sea. These additions go far to account for the unusual, though by no means unpleasing, appearance of the Shore temple with its 2 Vimanas in Mangalapuram. Musiri is identified with the archaeological site Pattanam. Mandasa and Santa Bomali grants were issued by Kandamak dynasty. Chandela inscription Mrityu Karvriti grant. When a soldier died showing exemplary valor while fighting for the king, he was granted land for the livelihood of his dependents called Mrityu Karvriti. Cave temple Sita Navasal in Pudukkottai contains paintings of the time of Pallava king Mahendra Varman. Pallavas loyal as their family emblem. Pallava king Simha Vishnu extended his dominions from Krishna to Kaveri. Chalukya king Vikramaditya II invaded Pallava territory and conquered Kanchi. Beginning of conflict between Pallavas and Western Chalukyas is traced to the reign of Pallava king Mahendra Varman I. Pandya coastal port famous for pearl fishing. Korpai. Pandya king Arikesari Maravarman defeated Pallava ruler Parameswar Varman and captured capital Kanchi. Chera king Perum Seral Adan joined Pandyas against Karikal, got wounded and starved himself to death in the battlefield by way of expiation. Western Gangas ruled over a large part of modern Mysore region called Gangavadi. Nanadeshi, merchants guild having influence from South India up to Sumatra. Manigramam, a merchant guild that controlled business. Uttar Merur, a village of Brahmins. Umanar, salt traders in ancient Tamil region. Title of Enadi, conferred to chosen military commanders during Sangam age. Ghatika, college attached with temple in South India. Tamil region, right hand groups. Valangai and left-handed groups, Idangai. Both groups included non-peasant castes such as artisans as well as higher ranking castes. But both groups excluded the outcasts, notably the Parayas. Ancient Tamil country divided in 5 ecological zones or Tinai. Mulai, pastoral region. Palai, arid terrain. Kurinchi, mountainous. Marutham, riverine tract. Netal, littorals. Tondai Mandalam, regions located between North Pennar and North Velar rivers. Author of the Periplus mentions Argaru, Urayur, to which were sent all the pearls gathered on the coast and from where muslins and other textile products were exported. Urayur was famous for cotton trade in Sangam period. Tamil Siddhas. Tirumular was the greatest of Tamil Siddhas. Features of anti-Brahmanism and anti-ritualism. Importance of Shiva and Murugan, Tamil deity. Tirumular, author of Tirumandiram or On Saiva Siddhant, believed that the spirit no less than matter must be accepted as real, for it is impossible to conceive of one quite independently of the other. Love and Shivam were not different categories of experience. Love culminates into Shivam and rests in that beatific condition. Medieval society. Amir-e-Kol was the officer in charge of agriculture. Amir-e-Akhur, officer commanding the horse. Barid, intelligence officer. Dabir, secretary. Idrar, tax-free lands. Kharaj, land revenue. Khalisa, crown lands. Usar, saline land. Baravardi, a recruit on ad hoc pay. Sayurgal, tax-free land. Al-Tamga, permanent revenue. Baitul Mal, public treasury assignment to an assignee's family in his native place. Khurak-e-Dawab, fodder for beasts. Upari, a category of tenancy tenure held under the Marathas. Amla, clerk or tax gatherer. Desai, property holder or holders of revenue rights. Masand, local Sikh officials in charge of designated sangats or congregations. Instrument reference. Skach bow, Miftahul Fuzala. Talika Yantra Chakra, Bhavishya Puran. Well wheel with pot garland. Sirat-e-Firoz Shahi. Hourglass, Rozatus Safa. Naftha and Manjanik. Fearful weapons arrived with Arabs when they invaded Sindh in 712 AD. Bayazid Roshan exalted the Sufi path and urged the pursuance of 8 steps: Shariat, Tariqat, Hakikat, Marifat, Wuslat. Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia's hospice was near river Yamuna in Gyaspur. Mahmudis and Muzaffaris were light coins of coarse silver minted in Gujarat and Malwa. Mahmud Khalji, one of Malwa, constructed a grand Darul Shifa hospital in Mandu. Shah Wali Allah, in a letter addressed to Muhammad Shah, pleaded for the abolition of the practice of ijara from the Khalisa lands. Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah shifted Bahmani capital from Daulatabad to Gulbarga. Al-Bawarjis, dreaded pirate in Sindh who plundered the ship destined to the Caliph, and Dahir showed his inability to punish Al-Bawarjis. Medieval texts. Nizami-e-Anjum, Hindu astrology. Tuhfat-ul-Hind, Hindu prosody and rhetoric. Dabistan-e-Mazahib, different religions and sects of India. Risala Mikdariya, deals with current weights and measures. Gunyat-ul-Munya, a treatise on music compiled during Firoz Tughlaq's reign. Fatwa-e-Jahandari, deals with system of political philosophy. Adab-ul-Harb wa Shujat, deals with the art of warfare. Khazan-ul-Futuh, account of Alauddin Khalji's Deccan campaign. Kitab Futulal Buldan, invasion of Sindh by the Arabs in 712 CE. Taziyatu-e-Amsar wa Tajritu-e-Asar, Indian practice of feeding horses with roasted barley, butter and cow's milk. Tabakat-e-Naziri, Nasiri. Razia's gender as a hindrance for nobility to accept her as Sultan. Muruj-il-Zahab. Greatness of Rashtrakoot as Balhar King of India. Balhara King of India. Amrit Kund, which deals with different exercises and practices for health, was translated into Persian under the title of Hauz-ul Hayat. Most important invention in weaving, that is treadles in the horizontal loom, first described in Miftah Fuzala, compiled in Mandu in 1469. Writer and book, Hussain Ali Shah Furshi, Baharistan. Barani wrote Sana-e Mohammadi. Mustad Khan, Masir-e Alamgiri. Mirza Nathan, Nisbat, Namaish Shairi, Sheher Yari. Namaish, Namaisha Yari. Amir Khusro, Tughlaq Nama, Ashite, Ziauddin Barani, Sana-e Mohammadi. तारीख फिरोशाही, फतवाए जहांदारी, हजरतनामा. रफ़ीउद्दीन, तज़किरत उल मुल्क. इसामी, फुतूहुस सलातिन. निज़ामुद्दीन अहमद, तबाक़त अकबरी. अब्दुल कादिर बदौनी, मुंतखाब उद तवारिक. अब्बास सरवानी, तूफ़ा ए अकबर शाही. जौहर आफ्ताबजी, तज़किरत उल वक़ियत. खवानदामिर, कानून ए हुमायूनी. आरिफ कंदारी, तारीख अकबरी. अल याज़दी, ज़फ़रनामा. मोहम्मद बख्तवार खान, मिरात अल आलम. शेख सिकंदर, मिरात ए सिकंदरी. अब्दुल फजल, आइन अकबरी. खाफी खान, मुंतखाब उल लुबाब. केशवदास, कविप्रिय. कुतबान, मिरीगावती. मौलाना दौद, चंदयान. Delhi Sultanate. Iqta system was directly inherited by Delhi Sultanate from Ghurian Empire. Muhammad bin Tughlaq believed in close diplomatic, cultural and economic contacts with outside world. He showed extraordinary considerations for foreigners and admitted them to the highest rank in his administration. According to Barani, copper token currency issued by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ferishta says it was brass or bronze, while other coins had only Arabic super inscription. The token coin had its legends in Persian also. Ibn Battuta, Muhammad bin Tughlaq had fixed Wednesday for freeing male slaves, Friday for freeing female slaves, and Saturday for marrying men slaves to female slaves. Balban took certain steps to strengthen royal control over the Iqta. Balban's theory of kingship is the vice regency of God on earth. King is the shadow of God, distinction between the highborn and the lowborn. Before Delhi Sultanate establishment, common coinage of Punjab and Delhi was called Dehliwal. Earlier coins of Punjab and Delhi regions mentioned in Qutub Mosque inscription 1198. Behlol Lodi invited Afghan leaders from Roi Khud to Delhi. He introduced Paibos towards the end of his reign. He addressed the Amirs as Masnad-e-Ali in his farmans. Behloli Tanka of Lodis, silver. After Gwalior campaign 1232, a commemorative coin was struck to mark the victory. Razia Sultan's name was inscribed on the coin along with Iltutmish. Iltutmish started the practice of putting on the Tanka coin the name of the minting town. Iltutmish founded the Nasiriya Madrasa at Delhi in memory of his son Prince Nasiruddin Mahmud. Razia appointed Minhaj Siraj as the principal of that madrasa. The aristocracy engaged male and female tutors for their sons and daughters. Razia's accession to Delhi. People of Delhi for the first time decided a succession issue on their own initiative. Support of the Delhi population was the main source of Razia's strength. She gave her accession the form of a contract when she asked people to depose her if she did not fulfill their expectations. It shows the robustness of the Turkish mind in accepting a woman as ruler. A woman cannot acquit herself will as a ruler, for she is essentially deficient in intellect. Isami. Alauddin Khalji ordered the Malik's Amirs, officers of court and persons of responsibility and status not to go to each other's houses or to parties or at banquets. No intermarriage among them unless Sultan permission obtained. Alauddin Khalji complained to Qazi Mughisuddin, not even 100 crores of my territory are obedient to me in the proper way. Alauddin Khilji invited musician and composer Goala Nayak, disciple of Baju Babra. Sikandar Lodi. Interest in development of agriculture. He abolished zakat, import duty on grain, and introduced a measurement standard which continued till Mughal period. Unlike Behlol, when Sikandar Lodi sat on a throne, no noble could share the seat with him. To show the superior position of Sultan over nobles and peasants, an efficient spy system kept Sultan informed of all the developments in the kingdom and particularly of the activities of the nobles. Sultan Hussain Sharki was titled Gandharv for his genius in the field of music. Malik Ambar changes in agrarian and revenue structures of Nizam Shahi. He abolished farming for land revenue collection and initiated a system of glance survey, Nazar Pani, max rate of land revenue between 1/4 to 2/3 of produce on different types of soil. Sindh invaded by Muhammad bin Qasim in 712 CE, which resulted in the defeat of Dahir. Because of his generosity, Qutbuddin Aibak, known as Lakh Baksh. Firuz Shah Tughlaq's bullion currency almost entirely replaced silver coinage.